How to use Google Drive from a smartphone. On your smartphone, make sure you download Google Classroom, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Google Drive. Sign in to all of them with your Xavier email and password. In Google Docs, you can write essays and papers. In Google Sheets, you can organize data to make tables, charts, and graphs. In Google Slides, you will make presentations to give to your classmates. The Google Drive app is where you can organize and create new files. You will see a menu at the bottom of the screen. Make sure you are in the Files tab. To create a new file, click the plus button at the bottom right and select Doc, Sheet, or Slide. Make sure to give your file a title. Once you have created files, it is time to organize them into folders in the Google Drive app. Create a folder for each class by clicking the plus button and Folder. Sort your files into the folders by holding your finger on the files and dragging and dropping. You can create folders within folders so that you have a digital binder for the class. You can also organize your files by clicking the three dots next to the files and clicking Move. Now select My Drive and the name of the folder that you want to put the file in. You can delete files by clicking on the three dots next to them and selecting Remove. The Shared tab is where you will see all files that someone else has shared with you. When a file is shared, multiple people can work on it at the same time, even if they are in different places. You can add a file that has been shared with you to your drive by clicking the three dots next to it, clicking Add Shortcut to Drive, and selecting the folder that you want it in. In shared files, you can leave comments for your collaborators to see by highlighting a section and clicking Add Comment. You can make suggestions to a file by clicking the three dots at the top right and turning on Suggest Changes. The A button at the top right allows you to change the font size, color, and spacing. The plus button lets you add material. And the arrows are undo and redo buttons. Press the check button at the top left when you are done editing. To share a file with someone else, click the button at the top right that looks like a person. Type in their Google email address. And select if you want them to have editing, commenting only, or viewing only access before you click send. The send button looks like an arrow facing the right and is at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. You can download files in your Google Drive to your phone so that you can read and work on them when you don't have internet access. Click the three dots next to the file and click Make Available Offline. Google Drive is a cloud service, which means that you can log into Google Drive on any computer, phone, or tablet with an internet connection and access all of your files. You can begin working on a project on your phone and finish it on a computer or vice versa. Even if your phone or computer is lost or damaged, you will still have access to all of your files because you can log into Google Drive from any computer.